Here is a unique type of camouflage military suit that uses mirror panels. This technology reflects the surrounding environment, making the wearer almost invisible against the background landscape, which is especially effective during combat missions. The mirrored surfaces work on the principle of reflecting light rays, creating the illusion of blending with the background, significantly enhancing the suit's camouflage properties in various conditions. This type of camouflage is particularly effective in urban and forest environments, where there are many different sources of light and color. The suit is made of lightweight and flexible materials, allowing for easy movement despite the presence of mirror panels. These panels are arranged in a way that maximizes camouflage without hindering the user's movements. Military engineers from many countries around the world are working on improving this kind of technology, and it is possible that in the near future, invisible soldiers will be a reality on the battlefield. Yifeng Automation Technology has begun testing prototypes of robots for automatic car parking. Despite their relatively high cost of $150,000, the developer claims that there are already interested parties in major cities. The Geta robot lifts the car from underneath and, using lasers, can park it much more precisely than a human. Two cars can be parked almost touching each other, allowing for 40% less space to be used for the same number of cars. It takes the robot 2 minutes to retrieve the car for its owner. The platform can move in almost any possible direction. It can slide forward, backward, sideways, diagonally, and can even rotate. When parking a car, the automatic braking system ensures that the robot does not collide with anything. However, these robots have limitations, and one of them is the inability to handle uneven surfaces. The maximum height difference the platform can overcome is less than 6 millimeters. Introducing the second generation of automated parking system robots, Yongs Second Gen, developed by Yifeng. This more advanced version boasts a higher movement speed of up to 1.5 meters per second and features dynamic route planning, allowing the system to operate without pre-laid paths or physical guides such as cables or rails. The system can coordinate the operation of up to 1,000 robots simultaneously, ensuring high productivity. Additionally, Yifeng Second Gen incorporates advanced technologies and algorithms, including automatic battery charging and the ability to operate in a wide range of temperatures, from -10 to 40 degrees. French architect Stéphanie Chaltiel proposes a new fast and cheap method for building temporary shelters that combines ancient construction techniques with modern technology, using drones to spray clay. According to the author, this development could be useful for creating shelters for refugees and disaster victims. The prototype, called Mudshell, was showcased at the latest London Design Festival. To comply with local laws regarding the use of civilian drones, a net had to be stretched over the site during the exhibition. The entire process took 4 days. The structure consists of a wooden frame in the shape of a dome, with bags of straw attached to it. The construction is then covered with a mixture of clay and plant fiber using drones connected to a pump. This mixture binds the elements of the structure, making it strong, durable, and weather-resistant. If Chaltiel's team had applied the clay to the London Dome manually, it would have taken several weeks, while the drone accomplished the task in just a few minutes. The American company Tiger Tugs has developed a unique towing device called Typhoon, which has made a significant breakthrough in the field of ground handling for aviation equipment. Typhoon differs from traditional tow vehicles with its ability to move omnidirectionally, thanks to innovative wheels that can turn in any direction. Traditional tow vehicles often face maneuverability issues, especially in tight and crowded hangars. The omnidirectional wheels of the Typhoon allow it to move sideways, diagonally, or even rotate in place, greatly simplifying the process of parking and moving aircraft. Tiger Tugs has also paid great attention to the safety and ease of use of the Typhoon. The device is equipped with advanced control systems that allow the operator to precisely control the movement of the tug. This reduces the risk of damage to aircraft and equipment, and increases overall operational efficiency. The Finnish company Misty Friday Films has developed a unique device called Killer Drone, which is a drone equipped with a chainsaw. This innovative drone became famous thanks to its viral video showcasing its capabilities, destroying snowmen, tree branches, and other objects. Killer Drone is built on the DJI S1000 octocopter platform, which has been modified to hold the heavy chainsaw. The drone's construction has been significantly altered, including reconfiguring the fuel system and installing a servo motor to control the chainsaw's carburetor. One of Killer Drone's key features is its ability to perform complex tasks, such as trimming and removing trees and branches in hard-to-reach places. However, Killer Drone does have its limitations. Its flight time is only about 5 minutes due to the heavy weight of the chainsaw and the high instability of the structure. Sekisui SPR has developed an innovative trenchless pipe-laying technology called SPRF for the rehabilitation of medium-diameter pipelines. This technology is designed for the repair of sewer systems, stormwater drains, and collectors, providing complete structural restoration without the need for trench digging. The SPRF process involves using a spiral winding of a PVC profile, which is introduced through existing access points such as manholes. A special machine lays the profile tightly against the walls of the old pipe, forming a close fit without the need for grout injection. The advantages of SPRF technology include reduced construction costs, the ability to carry out work in live flow conditions, and the absence of chemical usage. Walter Finkbeiner has developed the FHB 3000, a mobile two-post lifting system designed for lifting cars and other vehicles. This system offers a versatile solution for automotive workshops, providing freedom of use and high maneuverability without the need for floor anchoring. The FHB 3000 is equipped with an electromechanical drive and can lift up to 3,000 kilograms, making it suitable for various types of vehicles, including passenger cars, SUVs, and small vans. The lift uses 4 swivel arms, allowing for easy and safe vehicle lifting, providing free access to the underside and doors. The FHB 3000 is also available in various modifications, including battery-powered models, making it independent of the electrical grid, and even more flexible in use. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.